everybody, it's Kelly Beezer from Shutter and Glass Photography here, and today we are talking about fall color. All of my clients want it this time of year, and this photo was taken last week, and you can see there's still a lot of green on the trees. The leaves are starting to turn here. We've got some on the ground, but I'm looking out my window right now, and it's pretty much all gone, like brown, dead, bare trees. All that to say, fall color is fleeting. So while everyone wants it, there's no way I can get all 50 clients I take every year in that 1 week of peak fall color. So I depend on Photoshop a little bit. And luckily, it's super easy. So we're going to show you today how to make it happen. Okay, it's so easy. You guys are going to die of happiness. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here to our adjustment layers and come to hue saturation. Now, if you start in the master, and then you've got this breakdown of all these different colors. You can affect the reds, yellows, greens, cyans, blues, magentas. If you do master, you're going to affect all the colors. And I'm looking at this and I'm like, oh, I want to affect the greens, except that it's not actually green. I'm going to show you a trick. You're going to come to this little hand with the arrows on either side of the pointer finger. And you're going to select the area that has the color you want to change, right? And when I click on it, it's actually yellows. So, while you think you might be seeing green or red or cyan, Photoshop's going to see it a little bit differently. So, yellows. Now, look, if I bring the saturation down, it only affects the yellows. But you can also see, there's some yellow on him. So I'm not going to bring the saturation down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the hue. See, we could go all Technicolor disco. It's never going to be that much. You're usually going to go -5 to 10. And let's see what that does. Do you guys see that change? It is like fall wonderland now. But you're not quite done. Let's just see if we take it a little bit further. No, I like it at 10. What if we take the saturation up just a touch? Oh yeah, love it. But like I said before, it is affecting some of our subject, and I don't want that. I don't want to affect his skin tones. So we're going to come in here with our brush at 100% opacity. And we don't have to be super exact about this, because I do have it with that super soft edge, but we're just going to make sure that we're not turning him orange, because that would be a negative development. Also, a high school senior that pressed his pants before his photo session. Are you kidding me? That's amazing. This kid was super together. He had everything in garment bags. It was awesome. Okay, so we'll just see before and after. Yeah, and just like that, guys, it's done. Now, I do see a little bit more green in here. Let's see what Photoshop tells us that is. It's still saying it's yellows. Let's try it again. Let's go over here. It's still saying it's yellows. So if I really wanted to be tricky about it, I could make a duplicate background layer, which is just Command J, and come into color blending mode, and let's just select an area that has a color we like. I kind of like that orange, so we press Option with that brush, and we can just press right there. Now I'm not going to brush that on at 100%. I'm just going to do 30% with that super soft edge, and I can come in here, and even that's whoa, way too much. But give me a minute. Now we can just bring down the opacity of that whole layer. In color blending mode, it's not going to affect the luminosity or the texture. It's only going to affect the color. See, if I had it in normal blending mode at 100%, yikes. But in color blending mode, it's not yikes. Well, it's yikes at 100%. So let's bring it back down to 50. And just like that, here, let's group these so we can see our before and after. We'll say color. So we went from almost looking like spring to really being quite lovely fall. And everybody gets peak fall color. Hooray. And then you just go from here and do your regular edits, edit your skin, edit your, curves, layers, all that. But you're starting from a place of correct fall color. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always happy to answer them here. And I hope you can make all your clients and your own personal fall color dreams come true. See you guys later.